Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of the Webull application whether you are using your Android or iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open the Webull app on your device, and once you're inside the home page of Webull, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. From the menu that pops up on the screen, click on Settings. Under the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Logout button. Once you find the Logout button, tap on that and then click on OK in order to log out of your account. And there you have it. That's how you easily log out or sign out of the Webull account using your Webull app on your smartphone. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.